This is a vision Isaiah had where he entered the throne room of God himself. Listen to this description. I didn't put pictures because I want you to imagine it in your head. So close your eyes and listen and picture what you see. I saw the Lord high and exalted, seated on a throne, and the train of his robe filled the temple. Couldn't even see his face. Above him were seraphim, each with 6 wings. With 2 wings they covered their face, with 2 wings they covered their feet, and with 2 they were flying. Even the seraphim had to cover themselves in the presence of the Lord. And they were calling to one another, holy, holy, holy. 3 times means, wow, he's perfect, completely holy, is the Lord God Almighty. The whole earth is full of his glory. And at the sound of their voices, the doorpost and the threshold shook, and the temple was filled with smoke. And listen to how Isaiah responded to this glimpse in God's throne room. Woe to me, I cried. I am ruined, for I am a man of unclean lips, and I live among a people of unclean lips. And my eyes have seen the King, the Lord Almighty. That is a fear of the Lord.